Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to do a video talking about the accessories and options and modification I did to have clean air inside the cabin and also for the batteries, okay? So inside the cabin there are two filters. Here I'm on a Model Y, so there are two cabin filters which are changed in that compartment. I made a videos about that. It's not super difficult to change. I did by myself, and to do it on my Model Y I had to remove a panel that is under there and then the side panel, okay? And I put actually HEPA filters inside the cabin filters. Also, in addition to the cabin filters, I have the HEPA filter for the Bioweapon filtering system that the Model Y has, and that's a change in the Frunk. So let's go to check out the Frunk. Open the Frunk, okay? And the HEPA filter are under here, okay? Under this compartment, you change four filters. Two are normal filters and two are HEPA filters, okay? And those are the ones that belong to clean the air inside the cabin. Also, I have a couple of modifications that I did to keep debris from the air that comes inside. So there is this grid here that keeps the bigger debris to go inside the filter, and so the filter are kept clean from the bigger debris, you see. And the other thing is one up here that is used to not let the water on top of here. And under here, I did a video about this. There is another mod that I did to keep water from splashing inside the filter. Okay, so this is a filter to get, it's just a grid to keep the bigger debris. And then up down here, here there is the intake for the cooling of the heat pump that is used to for the battery, okay? Sorry, for the battery. And so this one keeps clean from bigger debris that comes in from that side, okay? So it's all the way along the intake. Okay, so that should keep clean the air clean, both for the, let me close here. Let me get back in. It's freaking hot today. There's a heat wave here, so that's why you hear noise of the vent going fast. Anyway, so those are the accessories. So two grids. One is the intake in the front of the car to keep bigger debris from the cooling system of the heat pump that keeps cool the battery. Then there is the grid on top of the plastic panel, and that air goes inside the four air filters, two of which are HEPA filters, and those are used for the bionic weapon of the Model Y. And those are air that comes inside the cabin, and then two filters down there, which usually when you buy the car are two normal filters, but last year, I think it was August, I changed to be HEPA filters. So I have four HEPA filters, and that means that the air that comes in is really clean. Especially here in Florence, we have a lot of pollution. So I was much happier to have HEPA filters for the cabin too, in addition to the bioweapon. So there are basically one, two, and the filters let's say 4 different accessories that you can buy to clean the air for the car and for the cabin. And then I did 2 modifications. Actually, there's one modification that I did is under the panel. It's just how you say, it's a rubber all along the panel that doesn't allow the water to splash inside the panel, which means it doesn't go inside the compartment of the filter, which means no air inside the filter, which is good. Okay, you don't want a mold or anything inside there. So they're not difficult to change the HEPA filter. I'm going to post the 2 videos that I made, and also they're not expensive to buy from third party instead of from Tesla. From Tesla are pretty expensive. I think the Bioweapon are 120 bucks, euros or dollars. And the normal ones for the cabin, I think it was 60 or something like that. So I got it from Yaslak, but you can buy it from other stores too, and are cheaper. Okay, I suggest to change when you have the chance to change the cabin filter to put 2 HEPA filter, not normal, just normal filter. Okay, that it helps a lot to clean the air. Anyway. Check out my Tesla referral, is in the description, the link. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral, you can get a discount. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.